We standing up, man. Tired of sitting down doing it. We're gonna switch it up for y'all. This wasn't meant for me. Well, basically, Bug Bounty made easier for y'all. And I got the Albert Einstein because, I'm an Einstein too, babe.
Not a prodigy. I don't have a wall of CVEs. I didn't grow up soldering microchips at age 7 or reverse engineering malware on my TI 84. I still mess up my Nmap flags and forget that -SV exists. But last month, I beat 3 seasoned hackers, actual professionals, to a $4,000 bounty. And they're probably still wondering how. It was a private program invite, medium scope, enterprise web app, the kind where the swagger docs have swagger docs. I open it up and I already know who else got access. HackerOne leaderboard royalty. The kind of people who casually drop write ups that read like mini theses. One guy had a recon automation tool so complex I'm pretty sure it booted a Kubernetes cluster just to generate a word list. Meanwhile, I was still copy pasting curl commands and making typos. But here's the twist they all missed the bug. I didn't. Now, don't get me wrong, these people are smart. Wicked smart. But smart doesn't always win in bug hunting. Speed wins, grit wins, and thinking like a degenerate unpaid intern on their fifth Red Bull at 3 a.m., that definitely wins. Here's
Yo, yo, I'm gonna say that last one, the degenerate, yo, nothing hits different. Going on some AirPods. Me, I know y'all might think I'm a like trap stuff, but yo, when I'm in programming, I like either like the lo-fi music or the Ozzy Osbourne types. And I be in my socks and my little, my little the little underwear, socks, my little it's not pink shirt, but my little thing. I'll be sitting there like this, middle of the night. Stop playing with us off that Red Bull. You don't want none of
Here's how
us.
they approached it pure brute force. Recon tools blasting away, dozens of tabs open, passive subdomain scans, tech stack fingerprinting, hunting for juicy S3 buckets like it's 2019. All good stuff if you want the same bugs everyone else finds. But that's the thing. They were looking for vulnerabilities. I was looking for mistakes. See, most
Hmm.
hackers treat apps like machines. I treat them like crime scenes. I'm not here to scan, I'm here to investigate. Who built this? What did they forget? What shortcut did someone take on a Friday at 5:59 p.m. so they could go home and watch Netflix? That mindset alone cuts through so much noise, and this time it paid off big. While everyone else was hammering the main site, I dug into the mobile app. No one was even looking at it because the APK hadn't been updated in years. But when I decompiled it, I found a hard coded reference to a staging API. I punch in the URL. It's dead. Classic. But then I try it with a specific user agent from an old device just for fun. Boom. The endpoint comes alive. And it's not just live, it's forgotten, unprotected, full access to internal data, no auth required. This wasn't even a sophisticated vuln, it was just abandoned. And that's exactly the kind of thing you'll never.
That's wild. Is my shit frozen? No, yeah, my shit froze up real quick. My fault, y'all.
Required. This wasn't even a sophisticated vuln, it was just abandoned. And that's exactly the kind of thing you'll never find with automated tools. So I fire off the report, sit back, and wait. A few days later, triaged, valid, high severity, $4,000 in the inbox. Meanwhile, I'm sitting in the Discord watching the others, still brainstorming. I just stayed quiet. But let me be honest, that moment changed how I saw bug hunting completely. Because it wasn't just a win, it was a wake up call. Most people think this game is about mastering Burp Suite or building some elite recon automation. And sure, those things help. But what really matters is how you think. It's not the tools, it's the mindset. And I didn't build that mindset on my own. I learned it from
Use
people who
cyberflow.
don't hang out on YouTube. They're
I bet you he's gonna pitch his course, cyberflow. That's how much of a hack I'm already enlisted in your course, gang. I'm cyberflowed up. How much you wanna bet it's a cyberflow thing? If it's a cyberflow thing, you already know. Go tune out to cyberflow.
not grinding LinkedIn or chasing clout on X. They're underground, dropping knowledge in private discords, breaking things, helping each other level up, and quietly. That's what Cyberflow's Academy is. It's not a course, it's not a YouTube
I
playlist.
told
It's
you
a
I miss you.
system, a playbook, a chaotic collection.
Yo, you, my friend. I'm telling you, at one point, I'm gonna be reacting my way all the way into cyberflow. At this point, because I fought with it, gang. I fought with it. Keep on the work, keep doing the work, keep teaching. You feel me? I'm learning from it. I'm not even online really trying to implement. I'm just trying to get my tools, and then when I'm ready, Cause I already got my USBs that I want to be a bootable bootable USB, so I could have my Kali Linux NVM set up that I want to play around with it. You know what I'm saying? So thank you for some of the sound advice and keep doing what you're doing, man.